I got it. 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 Yeah. I got it. Plain Makeup by Yolando sent out an email saying pay for shipping and they will send you a palette of their choice. And all you have to do is do an unboxing. I don't know what palette they sent, but it arrived and I'm going to open it and show you what I got. It's exciting. It is just like Christmas morning. You wake up and your Christmas gifts are under the tree, but you don't know what it is. I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it, I got it. Yay! Hey everyone. Hello, hello. It is so excited. I have something to unpack it. I don't know what it looks like. I don't know what's in there. And this is the palette that arrived. I don't know what it is. As you can see, I have not opened it up, but we are going to do it together. And all they asked was for you to open and unbox and tag them. That was it. You pay shipping and tag them in the unboxing. So I am ready. As you can see, it's late, but I have to open this right now. We are going to see together what I get. Let's see. I am closing my eyes. Hopefully I'm in frame, and we are going to unwrap. And there's more packaging, so I want to see. And we are going to open our eyes. Well, I am going to open my eyes and see if I get the one I wanted. Ooh, I get the one that's called Rapture. This is what it looks like, the outside packaging. Let's see. I don't know what Rapture looks like, so let's see. Anything else in there? No, that's it. So I need to open Rapture. The box is pretty. Oh my God. I am excited. I'm having trouble opening the box. Okay, I need to open this box. I'm gonna open it because I have no fingernails, so my nails are cut short. So, okay, let's see. Rapture. No, Capture. Capture is the name. Capture. Let us see what Capture looks like together. Oh, I get a nude palette. Oh no, it's orange. Ooh, I love it. Has a little shadow something. Oh my God, this is pretty. Take a look. This is beautiful. Oh, I am so excited. I'm gonna put a little bit on, and then I'll swatch it for you. Take a look at this color. Ooh, I need a mirror. OMG. And I have no primer on. I have zero primer on, nothing. I am just putting this color on without anything on. Wow. Okay. I see you, PIMBY. I see you Plain Makeup with Yolando. Okay, this is this. Hopefully you can see it. It is pretty. Take a look. And now I'm gonna try another. I should do a matte. I'll do the matte orange and see what happens. I don't have a brush. I am just going to do this because I just want to show them I did receive the package and they sent me something. I didn't know what I was getting, so I am very happy. Oh my God, this is pretty. This is gorgeous. This is the matte. This is the shimmer. Hopefully you can see it. And I'm going to swatch it for you. I need to swatch. This one is a skin tone color. I have to stay in view for you to see. This one is the matte. orange. This one is the shimmer, which is beautiful. It's like an orange, and this is like an orange mix with a little copper to me. Okay, next one I need. Oh, this one looks gorgeous. I think I'll put that one on my eyes. This looks so pretty. Oh my god, and then the brown. Ooh, I gotta use this. It's just in time for fall, Halloween. These are the swatches. These are the swatches. OMG. I'm gonna do something else. Over this color, I am going to put this nice coppery goldish kind of color. This one right here. I'm gonna put it right in the middle right here. Let's see. You see how pretty that looks? I will be playing with this again, but this is just to show playing in makeup with Yolanda. I received this, you see? So I have the two shimmers that comes in there on my right eye. This is a 5-pan palette. There are 2 shimmers and 3 mattes. And I have 2 other shimmers on this eye. And this is how pretty it looks. It is beautiful. Thank you very much. I'm gonna take the brown and put with the orange. Thank you very much, Playing in Makeup by Yolanda, for sending me a surprise free palette. I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you very much for that. I do appreciate it. And I will be using it again. I don't have a brush to do the other colors, but I'm just showing you what you can do when you get your brush. This is so pretty. So pretty. So that's the brown. These are the 2 shimmers. Thank you, Playing in Makeup by Yolanda, for sending me this palette. I appreciate it very much. Thank you. I'll be playing with it again. Since I'm doing this in nighttime, tonight's word is boredom. Don't be bored, because when you're bored, your mind thinks of other things that are not well for you. So stay active, keep the brain with positive stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.